So today market moved over 220 points in one straight swing. Hello everyone, Ra Saint here, Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Today was just a bullish move. Where are the sellers today? Where are the bears? Well, they are like me. They were hibernating. Okay, nothing to do until market reached a target zone, big target zone. And guess what happened next? It's funny because on days like these, uh, my brother-in-law would send me a message. Oh, you must have made so much money today because it moved 200 points. Well, yeah, but that's not really how it works. You might see people saying, oh, I'm going to show you how to buy here and how to sell here and make 200 points. That is not real. You might get lucky once or twice, but that's not the norm. Okay, I show you here how I trade per my legacy futures trading strategy. And guess what? Let me know in the comments. Hey, Raj should have bought somewhere along the way, or he waited and sold the market. Interesting, quick trade, get out, trading goals met per my trading plan. Really important. So enjoy the video and let me. Alrighty, guys, it's gonna be 3 in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time, and really, there's not much here. Market has been on a. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Order
Wait a
submitted.
minute. I love what's going on here. Let's see. I need to break that supporting trend line, but I think the market is done. Going to the upside, the next target is like 100 points above this price. So wait, wait. They need to take back and okay. Let's just wait for a break. Alright. We have a mini entry level right here. We have a minor entry level way down here. Market has been really bullish, like I mentioned. We took a few swings to the upside, and now we are looking for a sell setup. Uh, these are target levels, and 52, 50. This is a little early, but 53.25.
Order filled.
Okay, we are in ¿cuánto? 53.25, 53 minus 12. That's 41. And 2. That's 38. 38.25. That's 12, 24. And 50. That's 25 or $500. Okay. Let's see if, yeah, we have this So I don't take profits based on what I want, but what the market could provide. We have a high here. Wow. We have a low here. Wow. We take our fib from high to low. Up. We have support zone right here. Right there. Up. We have resistance zone right here. It's just I jump in early, like I mentioned, but expecting that to hold. And the reason that market's still bullish, but it's highly probable that it's on the verge of turning around because market hit a big target zone right here. So remember, step number one of the legacy futures trading strategy: wait for market to hit a big target zone. Step number two of the legacy futures trading strategy: identify entry exit levels. We have entry level here. We have mini entry level here. We have main entry level way down there. And these are retailers trying to think that market's gonna continue to the upside when it's unlikely. Okay, probability wise, we don't know exactly what's gonna happen. I trade with probability. Right, would you jump in before any type of confirmation? Yes. The thing is, market is really volatile. The My max stop loss should be above this pivot. Let's say if I buy the market at the entry level, okay, I would be risking 16 points more than I'm risking right now. Yeah, probability is not that high yet until they break that entry level, but I am risking and taking, because right, it's if I'm making these profits, I'm not risking them. So I'm making 16 more points out of this move. And if we take 10 points from entry level at 45, so around 35, that would be accurate. That would be 10 points, about 15 points. Instead, we have, Ra, what the heck are you talking about? I'll explain to you after we finish the trade. Okay, I want to concentrate here. Let me hit that pause button and we'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, 308. And here they come. I'm gonna close this. Okay, no. That's not what I'm looking for. Come on. We have 10 points right there. And
target filled.
Alrighty, target filled. Awesome trade. Right, but you have your take profit way down here. Well, you know what? I know I did. But I have my, and I always say this because this is the most important thing in trading. I have my trading plan and I have my trading goals. And yeah, you can twist them a little bit, but it's so annoying, frustrating, uh, angering when you reach your trading goal per your trading plan, and then you get greedy and then you end up losing. And I'll tell you a story in a few minutes. Let me finish this. Okay, so we have NASDAQ, buy and sell. I'm buying. I've been buying all day. Sell, setup, up. we have entry, we have to contract at 23,053.25. uh, we have target, we have to contract at 23,045.25. And that equals 8 points. Nice. 8 points. No, that's 7 points. Right? 3 and 3. Oh, wait. No, it's 3 and 5. Yeah, because it's. Well, there they go. But you know what? I am okay with that. You have to be okay with that. Because now I could be like, oh, I could have made way much more money or way much more points. Yeah, but this is all probability. Probability of market hitting that entry level really high, and the more points you look for, the probability goes down. Let me finish this and we'll go over that. We have total trade. We have 16 points, which equals 320 bucks. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives $20 per NASDAQ point. Okay, let's talk about greed for a little bit. Per my legacy futures trading strategy, I'm just giving my opinion and my opinion only how I trade. Okay, I've been looking at the market. Wow, all evening long. Last night we took a trade. You can watch it in our Facebook page. Okay, uh, it was a great trade, and I've been watching the market. I mean, check it out. Check this out. If you probably have seen it. All right, market has been just uh, up since this morning. Market open, swap, and then since this morning we have a major main entry level right here, and market has just been bullish, 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 bullish all day long. And what happens? At some point, market will turn around. It might nothing goes up forever except our souls, right? Like thank you Lord, for taking care of us. And all right, so but you know what I mean. Market hit a big targets on here, and what happens when market hit big targets? The market usually turns around. Okay, either in a retracement or a change in trend direction. We don't know, but we know market it's gonna have trouble continuing to the upside. Right? Look here. Oh wow, it's so crazy. Okay, a lot of buyers and then a lot of sellers to control. This is fun how to look at it like a battle between buyers and sellers. Same thing here, a lot of buyers, then a lot of sellers, then buyers came in again, and it's yeah, this is better looking at it from the sidelines. Okay, let them do their stuff. I mean, check this out. We have here, for example, we have a 16-point candle and only a almost 2 point, not even a 2 point uh, market movement, meaning market open here, okay, right exactly at that entry level, and buyers and sellers. I mean, they moved the market 16 points, and buyers won like for less than 10 points. Same thing happened here, except less sellers. And here, same thing, a little more movement, but less sellers. And then you can see kind of an exhaustion. Okay, sellers came in here hard, sellers took control here, then sellers tried to continue, and buyers came in really strong. Then buyers were here a little stronger. Anyway, the thing is, you have to see it that way. What's going on behind the scenes? Okay, behind the curtains. I love watching uh, the candles go up and down all day and imagining what's going on. But anyway, what what does go on is they look at our entries and stops to try to take them out because that's where they make their profits, right? With our money. So after that, what we find resistance support zones. We saw that support zone was way down there, and high probability of market least at least hitting this low right here. We also have this low right here. Market didn't even reach that low here. Okay, market just hit that low right here. And they might continue. Who knows? I'm done. I don't care if they continue or not. I look for one trade, at least one trade per account. I run like four different accounts, and minimum 15 to 20 points. You know, I always say that 8 points here times two, that's 16. 16 is larger than 15, so that's a great winning trade per my legacy futures trading strategy. 320 bucks in less than 15 minutes. Hey, Ra, market gave 200 points today. That would have been $4,000. Yes, that's not my goal. Some people do it. Some people take more. Some people take less. Some people trade more contracts. Some people, I know people that they take 25, 30 trades a day. Okay, they might be less contracts, micro contracts for less points, but there are many, many different trading styles. My trading style, my trading goals, my trading plan, I have that I'm very strict with those. And, well, here are the results. Yes, I might have been looking at the computer for a few hours, for more than a few hours since yesterday's opening at 6 in the afternoon. But I have taken naps. I have seen movies. I have studied from my counseling course. So I've done a lot of things. I went to have lunch with a friend of mine. So it's not that I don't have a life and I'm stuck here watching the computer. I do my things, and if I don't want to trade, I don't trade. I check out the market every often in my phone, and I say, well, maybe we now have a setup, and maybe we don't. So that's the beauty of this, and that's one of the things that we provide. We look at the market for you, and when there's a possible setup coming up, per my legacy futures trading strategy, we let you know, hey, there might be a setup coming up in the next 15, 30 minutes. So you don't have to spend hours watching the market. I do it. I always have my charts on. I am passionate about this. So I actually enjoy looking at the charts all the time. Even when I go fishing, I look at the charts and the market. But anyway, yeah, that's just me. I hope you had an awesome weekend. Let's all have a wonderful trading week. And I'll see you again tomorrow. You want to learn my trading strategy? You want to join our trading group? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Have a great one. Catching.